Some guys asked me how to select Bsc.Agriculture under Study India program where I don't have to pay anything. Bsc.Agriculture is 4-year course, so you have to just register and then fill your detail. I had already made a lot of videos about Study Indian exam. Then you have to, after filling these details, you have to click here choice filling option. If you click here choice filling option, then you have to put your in this section you have to put your 10 class mark sheet. In this section you have to put your 12 class mark sheet. If you are plus 2 appearing or result weighted, then click here result weighted and put your 11 class mark sheet. And another thing, nowadays every country is has different grade conversion, so you can see from here the grade conversion are available. About 60 country grade conversion are available. So after selecting 10 and 12 mark sheet, click save and next. Click save and next, then OK. Then you will select these options. So you have to select science and then undergraduate, and then you have to click here save and next. OK. It takes some times, but it depends upon the internet connection and the Study India website. Sometimes it's take 1 to 3 minutes, and sometimes it takes 5 to 6 seconds only. So don't worry. I am going to search these college. Here you can see a lot of options. So I will not search one by one. I will not go for one by one. I will search the university. MAHA RIS. Here you can see Maharishi Markandeshwar University. This is Maulana Ambana. This is also called Maulana Ambana MMDU. This is also deemed to be university. In this university you don't have to pay anything, plus you will get everything plus one laptop or 1 week plane ticket, so you don't have to worry about that. If you want to apply for UG, then you can apply for UG, and if you want to apply for PG, then you can apply for PG. Here you can see nursing is also available, agriculture is also available, lot of courses are available. So I am going to apply for Bsc.Agriculture. Here you can see Bsc.Agriculture. For Bsc.Agriculture, eligibility criteria is 45% in physics, chemistry, math, or 45% is 45% in physics, chemistry, or biology. The student who had taken biology, you can also apply for Bsc.Agriculture, or the student who had taken math, who can also apply for agriculture. So I am going to select here. If you click here, you will see like this. And in this section, if you have taken biology, then put your physics, chemistry, biology mark average. If you have taken math, then put physics, chemistry, math average, and then click here save, then OK. Then you can apply multiple courses in one university, or you can select multiple university. But if you select multiple university, but then you will get SIS scholarship. If you get SIS scholarship, then in other university you have to pay something. So after $3,500 you have to remaining pay yourself. So I suggest you to put 1 or 2 university only, and like agriculture is 4-year course. Then select other course also related 4-year courses. Branch change, you can change your branch in university, so you don't have to worry about it. And then proceed save, click save and next, and then again click save and next. If you want to you can scroll your choices, and then you have to upload here mark sheet, 10 class and 12 class mark sheet. You have to upload here 10 and 12 class mark sheet, and then you have to click save and next. You have to click save and next, and then you have to upload a photo, passport size photo, and signature, and then you have to click here submit. If you submit, yeah, sometimes it doesn't work, so don't worry. I am going to again visit this site. You will see after final submission how will my dashboard show. So I am going to log in again. You can see it's automatically login, and you can see finally application, my application is finally submitted. Here you can see a document rejected. I had already filled my form. In this section you will see document verification pending. So document verification pending, you have to wait for the document verification. I had already filled the form, that's the reason, and I am not uploaded correctly documents, that's the reason my document is rejected. If anyone document is rejected, then upload your correct percentage and correct document. If you have any confusion, then you can ask with me, comment in comment box, and join Facebook group for latest update, and subscribe my channel for the latest update. Another thing, how to prepare for IND SAT, I had made a lot of videos. You can check my videos. The IND SAT new name is Pragati.